Good day, everyone. For the first part of our activity, I will demonstrate how to make a LED blink using the ESP32. In this project, I connected a LED to GPIO2 of ESP32 through a 220 ohms resistor to limit the current. The LED will repeatedly turn on and off with a delay in between. This activity demonstrates the concept of digital output where the ESP32 sends high or low signal to the LED pin. As a result, the LED continuously blinks on and off every second. Now, for the second part of our activity, I will demonstrate the debounce LED control using a push button. The goal is to toggle the LED on or off each time the button is pressed, without unwanted flickering caused by button noise or bouncing. As you can see, each button press reliability toggles the LED on or off without flickering. For part 3, I will demonstrate how to dim a LED using the ESP32's PWM feature controlled by a potentiometer. PWM or pulse width modulation is a method of controlling the LED's brightness by switching it on and off very quickly. The ratio of on to off time, known as the duty cycle, determines how bright the LED appears. The longer it stays on, the brighter it becomes. In this setup, the potentiometer adjusts the input value which the ESP32 reads and converts it into a PWM signal that changes the LED's brightness in real time. As you can see, the LED brightness gradually increases and decreases, creating a breathing effect. For the final part, I will show servo sweep using the ESP32. The servo motor moves its shaft between 0 degree and 180 degree, then returns to 0 degree, repeating continuously. This demonstrates how the ESP32 controls actuators using PWM signals. As the result, the servo motor smoothly rotates from 0 degree to 180 degree, then back to 0 degree, continuously sweeping.